So, good morning, guys. Today it is day 3 in Mandarmani, and today we will be leaving this place. We will go back to Kolkata. And it's today. Day 5 in Kolkata. Yeah, so my bed is little bit messy. I'm just showing you Mimi. So this is like in Kolkata we are going right now. She's watching some videos. I'm asking her to go to bath, but she's not going. My brother should go. And this is Raj. Greedy. Your name is greedy. Just now they had a fight. Just now they had a fight among themselves. Yes! They were fighting over the tap.
So today morning just look, it's so cloudy and we hardly can see the sea. The sea is not visible at all. And so now it's time to go for the breakfast. So yeah, we are going to have the breakfast.
Okay. So we have puri, sabzi,
After this, I will bring one more.
and we have idli, coconut chutney. I did not take the sambar. Also, some sprouts there with lemon and scrambled eggs. We have a lot more. We will go later on. And
Daddy
take.
did that scrambled eggs.
Ne.
See,
বল
I mean, what kind of lights?
কতটা
Monica.
কেন মন খারাপ লাগছে
Maximum. What kind of?
কেন লাগছে
You can't take it to the
So Raj is feeling very sad because this is the last day and we will be going to Kolkata today only just after the breakfast.
sea beach.
সি বিচ
Park.
এসব সে ছেড়ে এসব ছেড়ে যেতে মন খারাপ লাগছে তো তোর কি ফিলিং আজকে চলে যাচ্ছি হোয়াট ইজ ইওর ফিলিং
Same.
মন খারাপ
So both my kids are extremely sad and especially they are missing the swimming pool and they always want to come back to the swimming pool. They just loved the swimming pool here. The breakfast buffet was extremely tasty and we just loved it. I couldn't bring the whole breakfast all at once, so we were bringing the breakfast in parts. So right now we had some cornflakes with milk and eggs, and then I bought the sevai kheer, and it was yum.
I was just a violent chole chapo. I was just a violent chole chapo. I was just a violent chole chapo. Pagia, pagia, ho, pagia, papa, pagia, 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 ho, pagia, papa, pagia.
So after having the breakfast, we just thought of sitting by the sea, and it was clear than before. The fog is not there anymore, and now we are just viewing the sea for the last time before we set off to Kolkata. So right now we are just kind of bidding farewell to this place, this wonderful resort, and also the sea beach. I don't know when I will come back again, when we will come back again. So I was not feeling like going, and my children also, everybody, we were not in a mood to part. But yeah, like good things end, and then again we set off with our regular routine as usual. Okay, so that's all for this vlog, and we have successfully ended this Mandarmani vlog. I will again see you in some other travel vlog. Yeah, and also I am planning to upload an honest review video of this resort, Sun City Resort. So that video will be up in my channel very soon.
Bye, Sun City Resort. Bye bye, Sun City Resort. Bye, swimming pool. Bye, swimming pool. Bye, husband.
So please subscribe, share my content, and also like. Please comment and tell me your thoughts. Tell me what did you like. I mean, are you liking my content or not? And tell me what else I can make for you.